Hey girlfriend, welcome or welcome back to Dejah's Diary. If you are new here, I am Dejah Denise, and today I am so excited, y'all. We are doing a prep with me for vacation video. I've never done one like this, so I'm so excited. It's super similar to my maintenance vlogs, but a little bit more shopping, so you know we like that. I'm actually getting ready now to go run a few errands. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. We gotta do Target today, that's the main thing. So we gotta get like travel lotion, travel soap, like, you know, travel stuff. So we need to get some of our essentials. And then later this week, we're gonna do the brows, the wax, all the things. As you guys can see, I already got my hair braided. I got my hair braided a few weeks back. I didn't think about this video when I got my hair braided, so the hair is already done. So before we head out the door, I do want to put on some fragrance. I love to smell good. And Dossier actually sent me some fragrance. I'm so excited to try it. I'm going to wear it today, kind of wear it this week and see if I want to take it with me to Mexico. That's where we're going. We're going to Riviera Maya right outside of Cancun. So I'm going to wear this perfume this week to kind of see how long it lasts and all that good stuff, so that when I go to Mexico, I can smell like money. Y'all, I just mentioned that I wanted to take it to travel, and they gave me a little travel size. I'm so excited. So I chose the scent Ambrey Saffron. It is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. I've been trying to find Baccarat Rouge like in store everywhere, and they only usually have intense or it's sold out. They don't have the scent that I want. So I'm actually excited that I get to try it before I spend all the money to buy it. So they have a cute little thank you card in here, and it says how it works. Any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full bottle. If you don't like the sample, you just return the bottle back. So the brand is known for providing luxury scents at an affordable price with designer quality, and we love that. So the concentration is 18%. So for the notes of Ambrey Saffron, we have, for top notes, there's saffron and orange blossom. The middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood, and then base notes are like oak moss, herbalism, and amber. So it's gonna be kind of woody. Oh, it smells. It smells like Baccarat Rouge. If you've ever smelled Baccarat Rouge, this is one of the closest things that I've smelled that smelled. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're taking this to Mexico. And Dossier has so many other scents that are inspired by some of your favorite scents, like Tom Ford and all the scents that we love. And if you do want to try them, feel free to use my code Dejah10, which will be down below and on the screen. Not sure if y'all care to see what I'm wearing today. I have the full body mirror in my room, but I'm actually surprising Joe with the room makeover today, so I don't want y'all to see it yet. But real cute, real simple. A little top from Gabe's, some cute jeans, some like, you know, something I can walk around Target in, little cute little brown wedges. And then I'm just gonna pair it with my LV clutch. Cute, simple. Let's go. And y'all, I literally did no makeup today. It's a good lashes and lip gloss kind of day. Why in the would you turn like that? Oh, they almost caused another accident. Well, anyway, so we're off to Target. I already have like a list of stuff that I need, so it should be easy. But you know, when you walk in Target, you get stuff that you do not need. So hopefully I can just stick to my list. What kind of edge control do y'all use? This is like Eben Max Hold, but baby, Mexico is hot, and I don't know if she gonna last. I want to try Saweetie's new edge control. So if you've ever tried it, let me know down in the comments below. I don't even know why I decided to come to the Target uptown, because this is crazy. And then this girl just cut me off again. But the Lord is working on me, so I'm not even gonna, I ain't gonna say that. But this is absurd. Like, literally crazy. Okay, so I can't find what I need at this one uptown. I thought I could find everything, so I found some stuff. Ignore the pillows. So we're gonna have to go to the one by my house, because this one is not giving. But we're headed to a different Target, because the one uptown was not, it like everything was out. So I'm gonna head to another Target. I checked my Target app and they have what I need. I should have just went to this specific Target the first time. I don't even know why I bothered to come uptown and try to be cute. But we're going to a different Target. I'm on a time crunch because Joe gets home. He gets home, well, I have to pick him up at the airport in a few hours. and I'm trying to surprise him with this room redecoration thing, and I'm still waiting for stuff. So I'm on a time crunch today. It's like 3:08 now, so I'm just trying to like get the stuff that I need for today, put out the rest of our like vacation prep stuff. I'm trying to get some stuff for him too. So like, while vacation is fun, preparing for it is kind of hell sometimes. So, but it's all worth it. I know that. It's just like doing it, you know what I'm saying? So let's go to the next Walmart. I mean, we are not going to Walmart, girl. We're going to Target. Please act right, because the last one was acting stupid. It's my trusty dusty. I don't even know where I went anywhere else. Like, come through. I'm waiting for my prescription, and now my basket is full with stuff that I honestly do not need. So I just got back in the car. I wanted to show y'all what I got from both Targets before I headed back to the house. Sorry if y'all can, oh, don't hit my car, sir. Don't hit my car, sir. Sorry if y'all can hear the air, but it's a little hot, as you can tell. The first 2 bags are from the first Target. Disregard the decor. But I got some baby wipes for my, you know, it's gonna be hot. So baby wipes, extra strength Tylenol. I needed some lotion, Lysol, because coronavirus. So Joe puts this Cantu in his hair, the curling cream. So I got this for him, even though he said he didn't need anything. I know he's gonna want his hair curly there, so I got this for him. I also got this Nivea lotion, which I didn't realize I grabbed 2 lotions. But we literally go to Disney 2 weeks after Mexico, so it's fine. I got some hairspray because my baby hair just isn't laying, so I was gonna see if this hairspray could help the edge control. Some Tums, because we're gonna be eating some food that we're not typically eating. And if you know anything about the water in Mexico, you know, girl, you know, mess your stomach up. I got some toothpaste for Joe, some dry shampoo for me, and then some body soap, body wash. So that was from the first Target, the Target that I just left. I got some decor again, but I also got, why'd she waste the bag? She put Joe's birthday card and the plant in one bag. A little white, see, I'm dehydrated. So I don't like to use towels on my body. I like to use sponges. So every 30 days I redo my sponge in my bathroom. But this smaller one is to travel with, and I'll just like leave it there, throw it away. You can tell the difference. One is to travel, one is for home. I got some mousse to lay these flyaways down with. Some travel hand sanitizer. It's a spray kind, so it'll be easy to keep in my purse and not like leak out. Oh, I got 2 mousses because that was what I really needed from the first Target. So I'm like, well, I need it for Disney too, so I got this. I also got to leave. I'm not sure how we'll be feeling, so I got 2 different types of medicines. And then I got Joe some Shea Moisture shampoo conditioner. So that's it for like the essentials and things for, you know, like our personal care. So that part is taken care of. Everything else like toothbrushes, deodorant, all that stuff we already have. So now it's time for nails, my wax, my vajacial appointment. I have a yoni steam. And then, oh yeah, I want to show y'all what I got, my cute outfit. Because if you want to see like the whole outfits, of course, follow me on Instagram. But I will show you what I packed down. And as well as my bathing suits. I'm actually going to do my bikini haul in Mexico. So make sure y'all subscribe so you don't miss that too. Hey girl, okay, so we're headed to go get a sugar wax. If you're not new, then you've seen me get waxed before. You've seen the semi-viral sugar waxing video. I also put it in my maintenance vlogs. So we're going to get waxed. I get waxed a few days before I leave because I know I'll be getting in water and stuff. I want to give my skin some time to heal. So we're going to get waxed right now at Queen Sugar Hair Removal. You already know I don't go anywhere else. And then I have to get my nails and my feet done. Joe said to get tan, so we'll see what that look like. All right, baby, she is bald. Okay, bald. I need to get gas before I do anything else, or we're gonna be pushing this car. So I feel like I think I have so much to do, and it's only my second day doing stuff. I'm waiting for my gas to pump, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. Do y'all like look at gas prices before you get gas, or do you just go? Because I'm a just go kind of girl. Like, I don't have time to be trying to drive around and look for prices when my gas is already low. Like, I just need what I need when I need it. As I know some people are like, oh no, gas too high. Like, I don't even know what the prices be for real. Also, I'm like really frantic. I feel like I have so much to do and not enough time. I mean, it's Tuesday, we fly out on Friday, but I have like work and things to do after work. Some of them are appointments, but not all. Ooh, $29.88, we ain't used to that. Hey girl, like I'm looking busted, the edges aren't laid. I'm looking, it's whatever, but I'm gonna try to get my brows done. The girl who does my brows is sick, so I need to go to my old brow place, which is on the other side of town, and try to get them done. I don't have an appointment. I'm just gonna walk in there and hope for the best. So I got to do that today. And then we got to do a vajacial appointment and my final lipo cavitation appointment. If you just saw the lipo cavitation vlog, you should watch that because there'll be an update in this one. So it was an Asian lady in there, and it's usually like not. Usually like Indian ladies are in there and like they're great, but there was like an accident at this location. That doesn't matter. There was an Asian lady in, I can't even talk. There was an Asian lady in there and she did what she needed to do. I was very surprised. Y'all know that I have micro shading, so didn't have to really do much. I just told her to touch it up, but she did that. You know, for what it's worth. I mean, I miss Jazz, don't get me wrong. Jazz always does that, but she did a good job. Hey girl, it is now Thursday, the day before we leave for Mexico. I have so much to do. Just a quick update, I didn't get my vajacial yesterday. Ty was kind of like tied up with some stuff, so I'm gonna go to her today. I also have a yoni steam. I'm about to go to the hair store because my even edge control, it just ain't it. So I need to go to the hair store right now, get some new edge control. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I am indecisive between the Sweeties edge control with Kiss and the edge booster. I might just get both, y'all, and just see what it does, because at this point I'm irritated with all the edge controls ever. I just left the dentist, and I mean, they're white, but that's a little irritating. Just got a cleaning, so we got a pack. Girl, we got a lot to do today, so of course I'm going to take you along to do all the things. But buckle up, buttercup, we got a lot to do, baby. Hey y'all, okay, just got back from the hair store. I'm about to actually get on IG Live and test out some of these edge controls that people recommended, but I want to show y'all what I got for the trip. So Eben is what I was talking about. Eben, this one is trash. Like, y'all can't even see, that's how trash she is. But baby girl is trash. She doesn't hold. I have like a travel one too, and they both getting thrown away at this point. I don't care. So everybody kept recommending like 3 different ones. I've always wanted to try the Sweetie one, the Edge Fixer by Kiss, and Sweetie, that collab. And then of course this Style Factor Edge Booster was recommended. I got the little one because I got mixed reviews. Some say it's a waste, some say it flakes. So we're gonna find out soon. And then my friend Bree, she was the only one that recommended this, but she says that it holds really good. It's the True Edge Extreme Hold. So we're gonna try that out on Instagram Live. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that because you're missing out on a lot. I got a new edge brush because, girl, what's this? What is that? That's disgusting. That's what it is. I also got some new shades because I'm not trying to take my expensive shades that I've been wearing in the car to Mexico. They get lost or broken and I'm gonna be pissed. So these are actually really cute. They were only $7. So if they do get lost, tossed in the water, or something like that happens, I won't be that mad. And if you live in Charlotte, you already know this, but Tyson has 2 locations. So the other day I actually went to the location out by close to Heroines. So I got some more stuff. So I just got some cheap lashes. I didn't want to get my lashes done and then go in the water and then I spend $100 something and my lashes fall out as soon as I get there. So we got some that we can just toss, throw away. I got 2 anklets. Again, got cheap ones just in case. And then just some earrings. Nothing crazy. But so tonight we still gotta pack and all that fun stuff. So Major's calling me, but I will see y'all at my vajacial. All right, y'all, looking crusty. I just got off of Instagram Live again about the edge control, but I'm about to start packing. So first things first is Major's stuff. So Major goes to daycare, so he has a cute little book bag that I have to pack. This is the bag, so I put his food, his treats, his snacks in here. So I need to pack that first, and then start packing my stuff. Joe's already upstairs packing now. Okay, Major's bag is packed. Joe is in our room packing his bags. So I'm going to pack my stuff in the guest room because there's some stuff I don't want him to see for him. So we're gonna pack in here. Outfits, bathing suits, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram so y'all can see the fits. On IG, we still need to shave our legs and do a face mask because it's looking crazy. Good morning, y'all, whatever time it is where you are. It is currently 6:20 on Friday, so we're about to leave in 2 hours. We still got to take Major to boarding before it actually comes to pick us up. Long story short, I fell asleep last night. I didn't do anything, nothing. So I'm about to put all my stuff in my suitcase. Joe's sleeping in our room. I think he's up now, but I don't know what to do. Not doing edges and stuff until we get there. Snowsuits. Make sure you subscribe so that you can check out the swimsuit haul where Joe rates my bikinis in Mexico. And then I have a bag full of Shein clothes that I tried on yesterday. This is not sponsored, but everything that I'm wearing is Shein. So, all right, y'all. It's been real. I got a lot to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for more. The full Mexico vlog will be up within the week. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, girl.